I am useless without coffee, so let's make some. Today I've got this VitaCup coffee, this Genius coffee, and I'm dumb, so I really need this. So today I'm gonna be using this Famiworth coffee maker that I got. This thing is really cool. It's super versatile. I wanted something that I could use K-cups or I could do coffee grounds, so this comes with actually both attachments. And what I really like about this one, it has two settings. So you can either have it on the regular setting, or you can have the over ice setting. In the over ice setting, it'll brew a little bit longer and make it more concentrated because it knows you're gonna dilute it with the ice. So today I'm gonna do hot coffee. All we do is put it in there. I already put some water in. There we go, and then just hit the button, and we'll give it a minute. All right, it's done. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. You can definitely smell the cinnamon and coffee. It smells amazing. If any of you guys need a coffee maker, this one is awesome. It's super compact. It barely takes any space on the countertop, and it can do K-cups and grounds. It's got all these settings. It's awesome. These things are like 30 bucks in TikTok shop. Check it out.